Right, £2 coin hunts, all in sealed bags. I have had a sneaky peek, and I've actually spotted it's gone. There it is. An Olympic Rio handover. There. And I actually found one the last hunt, or the one before, not sure now. Another Rio handover, so been really lucky with those Olympics. Still missing the Beijing Olympic handover, so we're still hunting for that. But anyway, let's get this open and crack on with the video. And that'll be 25 and our first bag. There were so many shiny bags. I was thinking for a second they're all sealed bags of Navy centenaries or something, but no, there's technology in there. There just seem to be some overly shiny coins in there. I don't know, maybe it's just me. A bit bleary-eyed this morning, blurry-eyed this morning even. And as I say, sealed bags of Navy centenary, the first coin we find is a Navy centenary. No flag error, but there we go. Oh, there's loads in this first. Oh, nice little Britannia as well. Very shiny Britannia. Okay, yeah, so Navy centenary, very cool coin. Always good. I've got the door to the cabin open because it's been a bit hot last couple of days, so you might hear dogs barking in the park or birds chirping and all sorts of stuff, so sorry about that. Technology, we got a Army centenary. There we go. Next to Navy. Like I say, we've got this lovely shiny Britannia, which is cool. I'm guessing that's going to be a 16. Yeah, 16, which is still cool though, still a keeper. There, anything else? No, all technologies, and 99.9% of technologies just go back to the bank. I'm always looking out for rotation error coins. There we go, Great Fire London, nice. I found a 180 degree rotation error so long ago now, but I've given it to Bungle, so if you haven't seen the Royal Mint trip video, I'll leave a little card at the top of the screen somewhere there, and go check that out, where I gave Bungle my rotation error. He doesn't have one, and he's wanted one, so yeah, I gave him one of mine, so that's cool. Technology, we know there's some cool coins coming up. Hollow Crown, which is the William Shakespeare's Histories, and it says Hollow Crown on the edge, which this one does. Cool. Not keeping those, very common now. Right, technologies. So I saw this Great Fire London in the bag. Cracking coin. Very nice. One of my favourite £2 coins. Could be my second favourite £2 coin. And then also there's this other shiny one in this bag. And it is a technology. So we line it up. 2015 at the bottom. Spin it over. And the Queen's neck pointing to that little dot at the bottom, and that's all lined up, so yeah, nice. Shame. Alright, bag number 3. Oh, it's a very small bag, not much room in that. Let's see what we got with this one. Another shiny technology, 2015, which is good. Another Navy. Oh, and it's a flag error. Look at that. See the splodge of metal at the top that looks like a flag. So let's compare the one at the bottom, no flag error. The one at the top, flag error. There we go. Nice. That is Starfind so far. There we go. Fantastic. We're off to a flying start here. And I know there's an Olympic to come as well. Woo! This could be a Commonwealth Day as well. Another Britannia. Again, it's quite shiny, so I'm assuming it's a 16. Flip it over. Yes, 16. But no, cool find. Cool find. Oh, another army. Another Britannia. 16. Oh, Brunel's portrait. Another Britannia. That is amazing. I don't think I've ever found so many. A 16. Yay. Another 16. What's number 4 so far? Oh, very nice. Underground train. We're still looking for the roundel. We're still looking for the sign, but I'll take a train. Very nice. Look at that, a bottom row of keepers. Well, actually, I'm not going to keep those armies. A bottom row of keepers. There's more than your common coins at the top there. Oh dear. Oh, nearly shot past that. And that is a Guy Fawkes. There we go. Pretty cool coin. Nice design. Olympics coming up. There we go. There's our Olympic. And that's a nice one. Where'd the other one go? There we go. That's one we just found. That's the one we found previously. Yeah, that's a much better one, isn't it? Nice. Oh, it's a bit grubby on the back. But no, cool find. I'm liking that. I don't know why I've got that other one sitting on the off to the side on my desk there. I don't know why I haven't put that away. It's just been sitting there for a while. Don't know. Another Britannia. Another grotty Britannia though. Another 16. Probably send that one back. A roundel. Yes. Oh yes. One for the book. Look at that. Oh, brilliant. We got one for the book. And another Great Friar London. Fantastic. Brilliant. Oh, well, I'm happy about this now. Definitely happy about this. Act of Union between Scotland and England. Yay. I was thinking I was going to go through the whole video and not find a St Paul's, which is a rare thing. We haven't found a Brunel's, a Brunel at the Paddington station, so I'll get my coins mixed up. Paddington at the station. Brunel's Arches or Brunel's Achievements. We haven't found one of those so far. Oh, but we have found a bit of a grim Florence Nightingale. She needs to wash her hands a bit more often. He's a bit grubby. There we go. Trinity House. And another Brunel's portrait. Good. Right. Oh, Rugby World Cup. There we go. Cool. That was the first design for this second generation £2 coin. The first commemorative design, sorry. Definitely got a weak strike on that one. And also dropped there a Robert Burns. What else we got in this last bag? There we go. A St Paul's to finish this hunt on. Pretty cool, I guess. Anyway, there we go. Done. We got some really cracking finds there, didn't we? 5 Britannias in the end. Got some Navy centenaries, an absolutely stunning flag era Navy centenary. Cool. We got the roundel for the book. Fantastic. Olympic, another undergrounds. In fact, we got both undergrounds in the one hunt. A couple of Great Fire Londons. Absolutely stunning. Stunning finds. Where's my book? There we go. Best bit of coin hunting. Putting the coin you're missing in your book. Get Queenie up the right way. Oh no, she's gone wonky. There we go. Completed page. How cool is that? So we've got the Great Fire of London at the end there. A full page. Just missing the Olympic there, and missing Wales and Northern Ireland there. So yeah, just the one really full page. It's bizarre when you think about it. There's only really 3 pages to a £2 coin album. Never looked at it like that before. It's only 3 pages. Anyway, there we go. Done. This whole bottom row I'm going to keep. All the rest go back to the bank. Bye bye. All go back. And yeah, got some expensive keepers. So 10, 16, 20 quid. 20 quid out of my budget. Oh my word. Oh well. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to leave me a nice comment if you wish to. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, all that good stuff. But until the next video, please keep looking out for those coins to collect.